Question 26. The diagram below shows an experiment done to demonstrate a certain factor that affects floating and sinking. The factor that was being demonstrated is A. Size, B. Material, C. Weight, or D. Shape. Students will be familiar with the idea that objects have weight and that the size of the weight force is determined by the type of material and how much of it is used to make up the object. Students should learn that when an object floats, the water is pushing upwards on the object. For example, when you try to push a surfboard under the water, you can feel the water pushing the board up. Objects such as rocks that have sunk are still experiencing an upwards push, it is just not as strong as the weight force. Students should be encouraged to view floating as being a result of the balance of the weight force on an object and the upward push of the water on the submerged part of the object. Students should be guided to recognize that changing the shape of an object does not change the weight of the object, can change the volume of the object. Students should also know that, to float, the weight force on an object must be balanced by the upward push by the water on the object. The amount of material and the type of material that makes up the object affects the size of the weight force on the object. The volume of the object, which can often be altered by changing the shape, will affect the size of the upward push on the object. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Shape.